Hello everyone. I had to upgrade the firmware on Thinkware X700. So the information or the instructions that I found on the net was not that great because I have a Mac um, computer and the instructions are not the best for a Mac user. So this video um, is made purely for Mac users who would find it a bit confusing for firmware upgrade. So this is the website for Canadian users to download the firmware for the X700 Thinkware. There's a US site as well for US users. So once you have downloaded the initiated the download, you had to give it a bit of time for it to download. Once it's downloaded, open the download folder, and you'll see 3 files, and you have to copy them over to your micro SD card. So here you will see that's a micro SD card. You do not have to do any formatting. The only thing you have to do is select all and delete the files in your micro SD card that you already had in your dashcam. Once you have deleted them, drag and drop the 3 files from your download folder into your micro SD card, just like that. Once it's saved, then you could do your cleanup on your machine, on your Mac. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just cleaning up all the downloads because I do not want to have any downloads in my computer. So that's what's happening. I'm not so the files are in the micro SD card. Once you have that in the micro SD card, you're good to go. The next step is to insert it into the camera. Okay, so now the first thing we had to do is, after downloading um, the files, I had to start my vehicle, and then I have to insert the micro SD card. A memory card. So it's asking to insert the memory card, which I'm doing it right now. Memory card error occurred. System will restart. So it's restarting. Update will now start. Do not turn off the system. So this step is extremely crucial. So do not reboot or shut down or interrupt the firmware upgrade while it's doing. It may be a little bit sketchy. You might get a message asking you to calibrate the screen. Do not do anything, just let it do its thing. As you could see, it's doing. There you see, that's the message that you're gonna get. So just let it be. So let it do its thing, and we'll continue the successfully updated. Oh wow. So as you can see, the firmware has been upgraded to the new version, and continuous recording will now start. Once you hear that continuous recording will now start, then you are absolutely sure that your firmware has been upgraded, and now you're good to go. So if you like this video, please do like. You can share this with your friends. Most probably, I'm sure with the sale that Best Buy is having, a lot of people might be ending up buying the X700 from Thinkware. This one is the one that has a rear camera and a forward camera, as well as the GPS module or the antenna. The price was really good, and for the price point, 2 cameras, GPS, 16 gig SD card, $230, and the sale is just this month, I believe, on Best Buy. Just go and check it out. X700. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my videos.